Welcome to iTech. In this video I will tell you that how to change theme on Samsung phone. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. First of all, long press home screen. Here you can see themes option. So here you can see a lot of themes. First one is editor choice, video theme, animated themes, new themes, high quality themes, free themes, blue themes, dark mode themes, cute themes. So you can select any theme according to your choice. I want to select this theme. I will click on it. Now click on download. So you can see the theme is downloading. So in this way you can download the theme and install it. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.